Your notebook looks rich, but writes like glasses. That's a paper mixed up. Let's fix it in 90 seconds. I'm Leo from Line Paper. Simple rule: coated for photos, uncoated for pens. For covers, pick C1S or C2S, 128 to 157 GSM. This is our standard paper. Gloss purpose on shelf, matte cuts grail and feels clean. Photo pages, choose C2S. Daily notes, go uncoated. Years back, we tried gloss on the inside. Pens slide, ink smelled. We learned faster. Keep checks in a clear lens. Social audience, BSCI or SMETA. Factory system, ISO 9001. US text, California Blue 65. No mixed up. Big color sprays. Use heavier soap to stop shoe through. Want a soft feel? Add matte lamination. Need a loud look? Try gloss lamination. Want the right set for your brand and price? Comment coated. I will send a free sample list and a quick 5-minute call.